Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Yoga with Pooja Shah. Now, if you are someone who have tight hamstrings or tight lower body, make sure you watch this video until the end. In my today's video, I'll be showing you 4 stretches and 1 asana to relieve stiffness from your hamstrings and your calf muscles so that you can move to your advanced practice with ease. Join me on your mats. Let's begin with the first one. So, I will move up first. Standing up, you will slowly interlock your elbows, exhaling, push down as much as your body allows. Now, remember while you're pushing down, you're not rounding your back like this. What you want to do is straighten your back, exhale and push down as much as your body allows. Now, from here, you will move to the right, keeping both your knees straight, kneecaps in place. Exhaling, you will bend towards the left. One more time. Swaying to the right, center and to the left. I'll show it to you from the side. So, you will exhale, push down as much as your body allows. Keep your back straight and sway to the right, very comfortably to the left. Repeat a few times. The moment you do this, you feel an opening in the back of your knees. Alright? So, we now move on to the second stretch. You will place your left foot behind, right foot in the front and lift your toe up. The moment you lift your toe up, again you will feel the opening in the back of your knees. You will slowly push down as much as your body allows. Try to aim your forehead on your knee. Now, in case if you feel you do not have the length to place your palms on the floor, you could be using 2 containers or any 2 blocks, 2 yoga blocks or 2 containers of the same size. To give you some height, you will point your toe up and place your palms on the containers. Move down. Stay there. Breathe easy. Using the containers or blocks gives you some length, so it's easier for you to push down. Stay there in this posture for around 5 to 6 breaths, or in case 10 breaths if it feels good to you. Slowly while coming out, you will place your foot on your mat and move to the other side. Placing your left leg forward and repeating the same thing, either using blocks or placing your palms on your mat. Lift your toe up and push your head towards your knee. In case if you are more flexible and try to and wish to move further in your practice, you will place your chin on your shin. The moment you do this, you will feel the stretch increase significantly in your calf muscles as well as in your hamstrings. You will stay there. Remember to not bend your knees. Keep your knees as straight as possible. Be in the posture for around 10 breaths. And then slowly place your foot down. Moving on to the third stretch. You will push your leg behind, move into downward dog and slowly start pedaling your feet. You will lift one heel up and down. So you will alternatively push your one heel up and lift the other heel up. Push your heel up and down, up and down. Alternatively, this action looks like a soft pedaling and it's always used, I use it as a warm up in my class to warm up my hamstrings. You will move your heels up and down, up and down. Again, as much as you like or it makes you feel good. Now, we are once done with this stretch. Moving on to the last stretch of the day. You will drop your both knees on the floor. Push your right leg outside. Now, make sure while you push your right leg outside, your left hip and your left knee are in one line. You will slowly walk your front foot at your mat. Point your toe up. As I mentioned earlier, you will keep your hip and your knee aligned. So make sure you are not pushing yourself behind like this. Neither you are pushing too forward. So we do not want to miss the alignment of our hip and knee. Keeping your hip and knee in one line. Using the blocks or the containers in case if you do not have the blocks. Again, you will place your palms on the floor and slowly exhaling, push down, push down. Repeating the same thing again over here. If you are more flexible and wish to increase your flexibility, you will aim placing your chin on your shin. The stretch increases the moment you place your chin. Stay there for around 10 breaths. Feel the opening. And when you wish to come out of the posture, you will slowly push your leg behind and change. Get your left leg forward. Repeating and remembering the alignment of your hip and your knee. Pointing the front toe towards you. Using your palms to place on the floor, either on the blocks or on the containers that we used before. This time I won't use the containers. And you will slowly exhale. Push your head to your knee. If you are more flexible, try to push your chin towards your shin. Stay there for around 10 breaths. Remember to keep on breathing in each and every stretch. Stay there for a while. Very slowly, when you wish to come out of the posture, you will push up and bring your leg at the back. And we are done with 4 stretches. Now, I'll be moving on to the last segment of the video. One asana that will help you increase your flexibility in your lower body, that is your hamstrings. Okay, I'll be using a yoga strap or a belt or a dupatta, anything that you have. We'll see how to do it. Lying down on our backs. And the name of the asana is Hasta Padangushtasana, also known as the hand to toe pose. I will show it to you without the belt first. You will lie down flat on your back. Now, exhale. You will lift your leg up and hold your big toe with your right hand and try to straighten your leg. Bring your leg closer to your body as much as you could. Remember, this is for your hamstrings. So if you bend your knee, you lose the health of the stretch. You lose the stretch. You will keep your knee straight and try and hold the big toe as much as possible. It's an excellent asana to relieve your hamstring stiffness. Slowly exhale and release. Now, moving on to the other side, I'll be using the belt that I have. You could use a dupatta or a scarf or a stole. And exhaling, bring your knee to your chest. Wrap the back of your foot, the foot around your dupatta. And try to straighten your leg, holding the strap. You will now move to pull your foot towards your face. Keeping this in mind that your knee has to be stretched and not bent. Try to pull this foot towards your face. Hold the posture for around 6 breaths if comfortable, or 10 breaths maybe. Stay there. Keep pushing your foot closer to your head. While you want to release the posture, bend your knee, get off the dupatta, and we are through. Alright, so these were 4 interesting stretches and 1 asana to help you relieve all the stiffness from your hamstrings so that you could proceed in your advanced postures. And in case if you have had lower back issues, relieving the stress in your hamstrings and calf muscles would also help you. Practice them today. Do let me know how it goes. And in case if you've liked my video, show me a thumbs up. Write to me. Do not forget to comment and subscribe to my channel. I will see you next week. See you. Bye-bye.